I'm Abiola Jackson. This is the Entertainment News and Celebrity Gossip TV for Thursday, May the 29th. In entertainment news, Donald Trump, according to Baller Alert, pardons NBA Youngboy ahead of release from federal prison. That's according to the Baller Alert. That's what he has done. So, NBA Youngboy, he's scheduled to be released this year, uh, July of 2025. That's what the White House has confirmed. That's the schedule released. Following a plea agreement, in a federal gun case in Utah. The pardon clears his federal record and grants him early release from custody. On social media, he basically goes on to show his thanks and appreciation for his pardon. So basically, he goes on to say here that he wants to thank President Trump for granting me a pardon and giving me the opportunity to keep building as a man, as a father, and as an artist. This meant this moment means a lot. It opens the door to a future. Um, I've worked hard for it, and I'm fully prepared to step into this. Big thanks to Pardon Cesar, Miss Alice Marie Johnson, for fighting for second chances for so many people, and to my lawyer, Brittany K. Barnett, for being in my corner and all your hard work to make this possible. And thank you to everyone who believed in me. I'm grateful, I'm focused, I'm ready. Kentrell, NBA Youngboy. And also, another person who was pardoned as well was Larry Hoover. Larry Hoover was pardoned as well. Um, he's Trump commuted Larry Hoover's sentence. They didn't say when he'll be released. He has to basically he's 74 years old, and he has to basically he still faces the remainder of his original 200-year state sentence in Illinois for Young's murder. So there's no timeline for his release, but he has been pardoned, but no timeline or date for his release. So right now he's serving 6 life sentences in the federal maximum security prison in Colorado. So no exact date when Hoover is going to be released, but he has been pardoned by Trump. So that's it. That's all I wanted to bring to your attention. Again, it's a good day for all the NBA young boy fans and all the Larry Hoover fans and supporters. It's a good day for them to be satisfied and pleased for what Donald Trump has done, giving them a pardon. Good day for all. Again, hit the like and subscribe button for more entertainment news, Celebrity Gossip TV. Nothing else to add or say to this. Until next time, peace and love.